Good afternoon, everyone. In this opportunity, I am going to present my project about time sharing system. Now I'm doing this project with Linux in a virtual machine. Virtual machine allows me to run another operating system like Linux inside my main operating system, which is Windows 11. I'm using Oracle VM VirtualBox. And to apply Linux into the virtual machine, I have first to download the Linux first. First, I have to go into the official website, one of the official website for Linux. Then I have to find the ISO files to download. Then I have to run the virtual machine to create a new virtual machine. Then I have to input allocated resources like RAM, CPU cores, and virtual disk. Then after, I have to attach the ISO files to boot into the installer. Then I have to start the VM. And then once everything is ready, I have to first install the GCC before coding in C. GCC is a compiler that translates C source code into machine executable programs. Because Linux doesn't install GCC by default, I have to do it by myself. To install GCC, I have to open the terminal, as you can see right here. Then I have to run this command sudo apt update to update the package list. Then I have to run this command to install GCC and all the related tools. Then I use GCC version to show the GCC version. Then how I write the code is I use nanotimesharing.c. This opens a file and allows me to write in that file in C. Then this command is to compile the entire thing. Now, before I show you the output of the code, I have to show you the code first. Sharing.c. Okay. As you can see right here, we have printing output right here, signal handling, system call, and timer function. Max task is the number of tasks that I am going to run. Time quantum is the CPU time slice. Current task is the number of tasks that is currently running. Okay. Now this entire thing is the process that I am going to run. It represents the process. This is the array of function pointers. It allows me to switch tasks dynamically. This is the scheduler function. This allows me to switches to the next task and then implements round robin scheduling. This is the timer setup. It generates a cycle RM every time quantum, and it simulates a hardware clock interrupt. And then finally, inside the main, we have this we have the loop here to run the current task and switch the task every second. Now, okay, now we have to run the code. We use sharing. So this is the output of the code, as you can see on the left corner right here. Yep, it is switching to a new task every single second. I can just stop this. So I think that's all for my presentation about the simple time sharing project. And